This is ArikaMade, and today I'm going to show you how I personalized my Santa hat that we were asked to wear for work. There are some bloopers at the end because this was a rush job, but I got it done. Stick around. I went to Etsy and just grabbed a quick knockdown stitch because I didn't have one yet. This is the one here from Charmed Embroidery Company. It was just a couple of dollars. And now I'm going to open it up and see. Well, first I have to download it. Hold on. Purchases. Want to download it. There is some thank you instructions, images, knockdown 2-inch, 3 and 4, and then if you need a long one, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I'm going to do 4-inch because I'm doing a stocking hat. So let me go grab this one. I'm gonna click download. I am on a Mac, so I'm gonna click over here and open it up. I use PES files. I'm on the NQ1700e. So let me go find 4-inch one. All the way down, 4x3, 4x2. Let's try. Let me try the 4x2. Let's see what that looks like. There's one that says 4x3.5. Let's open them up and let's just see. Let me find a PES file. This is a 4x3. Oh, that's really huge. Let's look at another one. PES. This is a 4x2. My hoop size. I'm in brilliance. Let me bring it down so you can see. All right, I'm going to click. I do need to show you my whole screen. Hold on. I want to show you my whole screen, so I readjusted. I'm going to click here on Embroidery and go to purses. I think it's a 6x10. What's a 5x7? Okay, so if I do a 5x7, I'm going to rotate it. Clicking there and say apply. And okay. All right, my stocking should fit that. Let me get my stocking and look at it. All right, so this is my 5x7 hoop. If I look at it against my stocking, that's pretty big. So I only need like a small space because I'm just going to put my sorority letters there. So I think, let me see. If I put this 5x7 hoop, I really only need a little space. That's probably big enough. And then I have an inch or two on the other side. So inch. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with that one. Whatever that one is. That was the 4x2. Let's go with that one. All right, so that's gonna be the knockdown stitch, and then I'm gonna go in. And I clicked on that A up there for some text or font. And I believe this is the part of the video where I sped up the video footage because I was trying to figure out which font I wanted to use. And then I had to figure out which letters to push on the keyboard in order to find my sorority letters because all fonts are not the same. So I sped it up and now we're going to go back to the video. Is U. Okay, so U is the one I need. D is U on this one. Some of them are different. So this one, this particular font is D as U to get the letters I wanted. Right. Let's make it just a little bit smaller. And I'm going to highlight the whole thing. And then I'm going to center. Oh, so do them separately. Alright, so now that that is highlighted, I think I want this to be, can you change that color? Nope, you can't. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, you can. Good. Okay, I can go in here, change the color, click this one, I'm going to change it to white. And then I'm going to click on the letters. And then these letters are all different. Oh, I can show the color sort real quick. So, to change your colors on your letters, to color sort them, well, first of all, I'm going to change the color. Let's do red. I may just do red on red. That way I don't have to change any. I'm just going to do everything red. Let's see, red. Or I could do black. Do I want to do black? No. I'm going to stick with red because I am running out of time. And we are wearing Christmas hats to work today. And I was too tired last night to do work on this. All right, let's see. Right now, I'm just changing each color to red because I'm just gonna go with a red. When I switch everything to red, okay, good. So because I switched everything to red on this particular font, it took away all those different colors, color stops. Perfect. I don't have to color sort. All right, so that's what we're gonna go with, and I'm gonna file and save this on my jump drive and place it into my machine. I'm gonna go File, Save Stitch As. I'm just gonna call it Santa Hat. P.S. It's on my Kingston. I'm gonna say save, and I'm going over to the machine. I have my 5x7 hoop. And I'm actually going to use just some Cutaway because I was thinking about it. It's going to be on my head. I was going to use some Tearaway. But let me grab my Cutaway. All right, I have this roll of Cutaway. And when I use it on my big hoop, my 6x10 hoop, I go this way. Because this will fit on the 5x7 hoop this direction, I save a little bit. And I'm going to go this direction. See, it fits perfectly, so I'm just going to get enough to be on the sides. And just take some scissors and cut these off. Put the bottom part down, place it on top. Make sure you're looking at your arrow. Just go to the top. On the other side, it has just a little line. Let's see. There's a line, and there's the arrow. Just gonna go at the top with this arrow. The arrows meet together. So I'm gonna put that piece there. I really don't have to turn the wheel much because it was already not. So now I'm going to take my template. I'm going to take my template, and I have several templates. I can't remember which ones go with which hoop, but I just make sure I got a 5x7 one. This one actually has a hole where you can lift it. Make sure the ABC is facing you, and then you place it in those little grooves. And I'm going to take a pencil and just mark it. This way I can take my, how do I want it? Do I want it that big? How did I do it in the, hold on, let me look at how I did it in the design. Okay, the way I did it in the design, I had my hoop this direction, and then it's going this direction. So when I put it in, I am going to turn my hat this direction. So now that I have it that way, I want my words to be like this. So it needs to be on this top part. So I'm going to take it And like you do those other regular hats that I did in one of the other videos, I'm going to have it upside down like this. And I'm going to fold it in half. And this part here is going to go on that center line after I spray it. So I have my temporary adhesive. My son is knocking. So I'm going to spray a little bit. Alright, just enough to get it to tack down. And I'm going to look and see where that tag is. So when I open it up and I look and I see the tag is that direction. So this right here is the front of my hat. I want the tag to the back, and then I'm going to do it exactly like you do regular hats. Matter of fact, there's a little thing already there. So you know the one that's open is your front. I'm going to take it and fold it in half. Put it midway, make sure it's on the white part, and I need to make sure my takedown stitch does not go on my red part. So we're going to do the trace feature to see where it goes. And I need to tack down first, and I'm going to put a little bit more because when you spray, you got to be ready to put down. Put a little bit more. Try to make sure it's even. Straight line across. Okay. And I probably need to pin it or clip it, so I'm going to clip it. I'm going to just take some clips because I don't have time to really sit and hold it down like I normally do hats. I'm probably going to pin that. I gotta get ready for work today. Hopefully, I'll do this real quickly. I may need to pin these ends here just to make sure. So I'm just gonna take a couple of pins. In that corner. In that corner, and I gotta pin that clip it a little bit better. Let's see, let's do it like this. Let me get this other clip, a little bit more heavy duty. All right, so hopefully it'll come out right. Let's go to the machine. All right, I have my file loaded and my little dongle, and I am going to click on this little pocket icon here. This is your USB icon here. Some people do the Wi-Fi. I don't do that. It takes a second or two. All right, oh, this is it right here. I wish this had titles on here. All right, so it's got my hoop going there. Okay. All right, so my letters are going straight that way. I am going to have to turn this. I should have did that when I did the setup of it. And I almost got it, so I'm gonna trace it to make sure it's in the right spot. All right, so my letters are this way. I am going to flip them. Let me rotate on. There we go. Because I need to go that direction. And then I'm going to trace it right here. All right, we're going to go ahead with this because it is 6:20 and I got to get out in 20 minutes. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, it's 20 minutes to do this. Ha! We are pushing it today. All right. Wouldn't be me if it didn't. All right, 6 minutes on this, and I will speed this up. Let my foot down. I got the green button. And this is a takedown stitch. So I'm not going to use any WSS. Let's see how we roll. All right, here we go. color is this red, and I'm going to switch over to that, and it's going to take 15 minutes. It is finished, so I'm going to take it off the hoop, and let's see what it looks like. I'm going to take my clamps off. Remember, I put in 2 pins. I'm going to take those out. And I'm going to undo the base. Then I'm going to cut this away because this is the cutaway, it's not the tearaway. You can easily do the tearaway. I just went with the cutaway. I'm going to turn it over so I can make sure I do not cut the hat. I'm probably going to cut that closer so that does not show. Alright. Then I'm going to flip that. That's what it looks like on this hat. And I'll do a picture later because I got to rush to work. And then I do need to clean these here. Just get some scissors, snip that up. Yeah. Jolly hat. Quick project, but please note that when you grab a hat, make sure you get a hat that fits your head, because I got a large and I really probably needed a smaller medium. And as promised, here are the bloopers coming up. I'm in a rush. All right, so I'm going to put this on the machine. Oh, you know what? I did this setup for my for my PE800. I didn't even pay attention. So this see how I'm rushing? I'm tired too. This one here is for my PE800. I am not going to go on my PE800 because I don't want to cut all the stitches. I want to use this one. So let me backtrack and go redo that. But you do the same steps, so I'm going to be right back. All right, so I'm back. I am back, and it only took a second to switch it over. I'm gonna push that down. Or switch hoops. Yeah, I'm way off. That's okay. I can fix that. I'm gonna take this arrow here, and I'm gonna make it go down. When I went and changed the hoop, you need to just make sure you lined it up with your dots that you already placed, if that ever happens to you. So yeah, learning experience for us both. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.